Hello everyone, this is Omar making a quick update on the USDN Momentum EA. The trading week just ended, so I'm just going to quickly share with you guys the profit. So for this week it only opened these two trades here, but thankfully these two were some big trades, right? So far in the last 3 weeks, not a single losing trade, right? And it's done 20% in 3 weeks. So that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the results. Account started at 10,000 and it made a $2,000 profit basically. So pretty good results. I didn't get a chance to test the Bitcoin EA. I had to open an account and then put the Bitcoin EA on that for forward testing, but I kind of just forgot. So I'm going to make one hopefully like starting Monday. Make another account for Bitcoin and put some money in that and see how that one does. And then next week I'll be able to kind of make an update video on the Bitcoin and USDN EA in the same video. Okay. So I think that's it for now, and hope to see you guys in that video.